I was this close to spending €40,000 on a brand new SUV until I realized most of that money would go toward touchscreens, sport modes, and gimmicks I would never use. Let's be honest, nobody over 60 needs a dashboard that looks like a video game. What we need is a car that doesn't overwhelm us, but protects us. Comfort, visibility, safety, and yes, style. Without crazy prices or leasing traps. In this video, I'll show you 7 SUVs seniors should buy without a second thought. And make sure you stay until the very end, because the last 2 models surprised even me, and they might completely change your driving experience. Mazda CX-5, the sporty, elegant exception. I didn't think a modern SUV could impress me anymore, but then I drove the Mazda CX-5, and honestly, this car is an exception. From the moment you sit inside, you notice something. Everything is designed logically. No overwhelming screens, no confusing menus, just simple, intuitive controls. Sit down, start driving, feel comfortable. The first thing that stood out to me? Silence. Close the door, and it feels almost like a living room. The insulation is excellent, perfect for long highway trips or hectic city driving. And then there's the engine. The turbo version does 0 to 100 in just 6.6 seconds, but without being aggressive. It's calm, controlled power. You have it when you need it, like overtaking, but never in a way that feels pushy. For drivers over 60, that balance of visibility, comfort, and smooth performance makes the CX-5 a hidden gem. The higher seating position is easy on the back. The wide view of the road, plus well-placed mirrors, makes maneuvering stress-free. Even better, running costs, fuel consumption, and maintenance are lower than many premium SUVs. Spare parts are affordable. Service intervals are reasonable. And mechanics often say the CX-5 rarely comes in for major issues. It just runs. My verdict: if you want a stylish yet down-to-earth SUV that combines comfort, driving joy, and low costs, the Mazda CX-5 is a must-consider. Toyota RAV4, the practical long runner. If you want an SUV that almost never lets you down, it's hard to beat the Toyota RAV4. I like to call it the unspectacular hero. No gimmicks, no show-off features, just reliability, comfort, and very low operating costs. The RAV4 offers excellent visibility, a roomy cabin, and robust build quality. Getting in is easy, the doors open wide, and you instantly feel the space. Perfect if you often carry luggage, shopping, or mobility aids. Inside, everything is simple and clear. No tech overload. Safety features like emergency braking, lane keeping, and traffic sign recognition come standard and work reliably without being annoying. Workshops say the RAV4 only shows up for scheduled maintenance. And if you choose the hybrid version, you can get under 5 litres per 100 kilometres, extremely efficient for a practical SUV. In short, the RAV4 is the classic buy once, drive forever car. Sometimes that's the greatest luxury of all. Honda HR-V, the therapist on wheels. The first time I sat in the Honda HR-V, it felt like the car was welcoming me personally. No climbing, no awkward bending. The entry is so smooth you hardly notice it. That's exactly what you appreciate over 60. The seats support your back beautifully. The large windows give you a panoramic view that feels safe even in tricky city traffic. Driving feels light, not like hard work. The steering is smooth. The suspension absorbs bumps easily, and the CVT transmission means you just press the gas and go. The car does the rest. Perfect for anyone with mobility issues, joint pain, or simply wanting a stress-free ride. Running costs are also low. Honda is famous for reliability. Repairs are rare, and spare parts are affordable. And best of all, the controls are intuitive. No complicated touchscreens or 10-layer menus, just simple, clear buttons where you expect them. My verdict: the HR-V may not be flashy, but for seniors, it's one of the most thoughtfully designed SUVs out there. Subaru Crosstrek, the all-weather shoe. The Subaru Crosstrek feels like a sturdy hiking boot, compact, stable, and ready for anything. Its standard all-wheel drive isn't a gimmick. It's a real safety advantage. Rain, slopes, gravel parking lots, The Crosstrek stays calm and gives you grip. The higher seating position makes entry easy while giving you a commanding view of traffic. Inside, it's clear and simple. No TikTok-inspired tech gimmicks, just solid, practical design. The seats are firm but comfortable, even on long trips. Subaru is known for longevity. Spare parts are affordable. Independent workshops know the brand well, and fuel consumption is modest for an AWD SUV. In short, not flashy, not loud, just safe, reliable, and easy to live with. A true all-season companion. Toyota CHR, the invisible co-pilot. For me, the Toyota CHR feels like a calm, watchful co-pilot, always alert, never intrusive. Safety is its greatest strength. Adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, all included, no extra packages. For seniors, that's like having a second set of eyes. The ride comfort is impressive. Unlike stiff, sporty SUVs, the CHR suspension smooths out bumps beautifully. If you have back pain or are sensitive to rough roads, this is a huge plus. It's compact, but with a higher seating position, so you get visibility without the bulk of a large SUV. Parking and city driving are stress-free. And like every Toyota, it's highly reliable, with low running costs and almost no workshop surprises. My verdict: if you want safety, comfort, and peace of mind in a compact package, the CHR is one of the smartest choices for seniors. Hyundai Santa Fe, the spacious comfort zone. The Hyundai Santa Fe feels calm, roomy, and relaxing. The seats are supportive, the ride is smooth, and the cabin is quiet. Ideal for stress-free long drives. It comes loaded with safety features, including blind spot monitoring, lane follow assist, and even a system that warns you if a cyclist or pedestrian is approaching when you're about to open the door. Hyundai's long-term reliability is no secret anymore, and maintenance costs are fair. For the price, you get near luxury comfort without luxury-level expenses. The Santa Fe is perfect for seniors who want more space, peace, and safety without drifting into overpriced luxury cars. Ford Escape, the practical family SUV. The Ford Escape feels like a car designed to fit your life. Spacious, flexible, and ideal for family trips, whether that's grandkids, pets, or weekend adventures. The interior is roomy, with rear seats that fold down for bulky items. Even adults sit comfortably in the back, a rare perk at this price point. It comes in gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid versions. In the plug-in, you can drive whole days fully electric in the city, saving fuel and enjoying a quieter ride. Tech is supportive, not overwhelming. The head-up display projects key info onto the windshield, and the park assist takes the stress out of tight spaces. Running costs are surprisingly low, affordable parts, structured maintenance plans, and very efficient hybrids. My verdict: the Escape proves good SUVs don't have to be expensive. It's practical, versatile, and budget-friendly in the long run. Final thought: the real savings come after the purchase. Buying the right SUV is only half the story. The real costs come afterward: insurance, financing, maintenance, taxes. And this is where many seniors lose money. Financing traps. Avoid balloon payments and 0% deals with hidden costs. Stick to clear, fixed-rate loans. Insurance. Don't stay loyal for decades without checking rates. New customers often get better deals. Compare yearly and ask for discounts like accident forgiveness or pick-up/drop-off service. Maintenance and warranties. Extended warranty often means overpriced service contracts. Check independent workshops. Leasing traps. Looks cheap, but for seniors, it's often the most expensive option, especially with return penalties. The truth? The best SUV is the one that keeps you comfortable, safe, and financially secure, without overwhelming you with tech or draining your wallet.